Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to schedule a WhatsApp message on your Samsung phone. So I'm provide full guide, don't skip my video. So at first open your WhatsApp and select any conversation. Tap onto three dot. So as you can see, but not showing it to any schedule option. So you need to just use third-party apps. So don't skip my video. First open Playstore, go to search option. And search here these apps and install. Okay, press on to open. And you need to first sign in. So I'm just sign in using my Google account. I'm already signed in, so skip. Press on to allow, and I understand. Click on to plus option, and they're showing it to more option. You can easily use these apps by call, email, messenger, telegram, and more. Like I'm select WhatsApp. Click on to plus option. At first you just fill up this criteria. Click on. And make sure to turn on from turn off. Go back. When it's complete, look here, it's gray out. Select these apps, make sure to turn on. Okay, turn on this. And you just set password. I'm select 4-digit password. Press on done. Okay, overall complete. So go back and plus option, and then showing it to your WhatsApp conversation. I'm just select any conversation. Okay, and title. So if you want to add any photo or video, so click on to attachment or document, audio, record, voice, everything. And finally set up time. Okay, and just press on tick mark, then finally set schedule. So that's it, that's how you can do it.